2 pounds of beets. I cook those for at least almost 2 hours. Poke them. Nice and cooked. Fill up your sink with some cold water and then just put your beets in the water. Juice, reserved, cooked beet juice water. In the beet pot, put 2 cups of red cabbage, 1 cup of white onion or yellow, 1 cup of carrots, and 1 cup of celery. Crank that to high, get that going, toss in a couple of bay leaves, just let that cook, get it to a boil, and then turn it down to like a medium boil. Beets are in the water, they're nice and cool. You can actually just squeeze them with your hand, you don't have to peel them. Isn't that amazing? Take your thumb, whoop, boom, boom. Add some fresh dill. Water, just so it's not too thick. Adding water till we get in, so. To the soup. There we go. Now we're making soup. Nice and beautiful. Our finished borscht.